In this video, I'm going to show you how to place the fog lights on this Dodge 2500. Let's get started. Looking from behind the fog light, you'll see the electrical connector right here. Pry on this tab and remove that so you can unplug the bulb. And then you can either reuse your bulb or install a new one. I'm just going to take this one out and set it aside. There are then three 10mm bolts that we have to remove, two over here and one right over there. Let's take them all out. At this point, you can grab the fog light assembly, move it around, twist it, and take it out. There it is. Take the new fog light assembly, put it into place, and line it up with the mounting holes. Start whichever bolt lines up first. And with all of them started in, you're going to want to look from the outside to make sure it's positioned properly. It does have quite a bit of an adjustment here, so you want to make sure it's centered. I'm going to hold it like this. This is what lines up for me. So now let's tighten it down. Snug all these up. If you're doing this by hand, give them about 1/8 of a turn after they get tight. You don't want to break anything, and you don't want to obviously strip them out. So at this point, I'm going to plug the bulb in, make sure that clicks, test it out, and do the same to the other side if you need to. Once you're done, you'll see that cutout up there. That's where you're going to want to stick a screwdriver in and align the beam of your fog light so it can shine properly. If it's too low, it's useless, and if it's too high, well, it's going to blind everyone. So you want to make sure it's below the level of the headlights, but not too low.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.